Good morning children, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss art integrated project for maths. Art integrated CBSE has introduced this concept in this year only. This is basically you are trying to understand the concept or your topics more clearly using the art. So here we are using this drawing or cutting pasting. So this activity is based on chapter 3, understanding quadrilateral. In that chapter I told you different types of quadrilateral like parallelogram, square, rhombus, trapezium, kite, rectangle. So here we are trying to understand the difference and properties of quadrilaterals in better way. I have taken this example of buildings. This figure 1 and figure 2 you can see. Figure 1 is the front view of 3 buildings of a society, and this is the 3 houses or 3 buildings of second society. Now you can see here I have used this kite is flying, this roof front view is trapezium, this is rectangle, square, rectangle, trapezium, this door mat is rhombus, here you can say this door mat is parallelogram, this is rhombus, kite. So I try to use all the types. So in this project you are to use your creativity, how you can relate this through the art. I have drawn these figures, but not only drawing, you have to explore it more by these questions. I have written some, like find any 4 differences between the 2 figures. By framing these questions you can make it more interesting. Write any 4 differences. So you have to find the difference. You can see first this mat, in first figure it is rhombus and in second it is parallelogram, by which you can understand the difference between parallelogram and rhombus clearly. As in rhombus, opposite sides are parallel and equal. All sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. In parallelogram only opposite sides are parallel and equal. Rhombus, all sides are equal and both pair of opposite sides parallel. But in parallelogram only opposite sides are equal and parallel. Second difference you can see these 2 rectangles. This is the second difference. The third difference you can see in this third house, this window is rectangle and this is rhombus. And the fourth difference is house of the second, the roof of the second house is, this is rectangle, and roof of here in society B second house is trapezium. You can see this is trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides parallel, and this is a rectangle. Okay, so you can make it more interesting. Next I have written, write the types of quadrilateral used. What type of quadrilaterals you have used here? Rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, kite, all we have used here. Second is rhombus a kite? Yes. What is kite? Kite is a quadrilateral having 2 pair of adjacent sides equal. In rhombus also you can see this pair of adjacent side equal and these are also equal. So yes, a rhombus is a kite. Next is difference between trapezium and parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral having both pair of opposite sides parallel and equal. But in trapezium there is only one pair of opposite sides parallel. When you will cut, draw, paste, then you will understand more clearly the difference. Next is what is the relationship between opposite angles of parallelogram? Opposite angles of parallelogram. While you will cut this or when you will measure the angles, you will see the opposite angles are equal. Clearly? So this I have taken one concept. You are to make this project with your creativity. Please don't copy it. You are just drawing and writing the questions. No, there are so many ideas. Like you can compose any poem related to types of quadrilateral. You can write a story. You can write a song, or you can describe your own house. When you will start observing, there are so many figures. There are so many things which are having this which are in quadrilateral shape. Fine. So you can make a rangoli, geometrical rangoli you can make using types of quadrilateral. So you are to make this project, and this project is for 5 marks, and out of this 5, 3 marks is for your originality. Don't copy it, use your own creativity. How original you can make, more ideas you can create. So 3 marks for योर ओरिजिनलिटी, 1 मार्क फॉर क्रिएटिविटी कि जो भी आपका आइडिया उसको आप कितना क्रिएटिव वे में इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो, एंड 1 मार्क फॉर टाइमली सबमिशन. क्लियर? I hope it is clear to you. You can make 3D also. You can make a 3D model. You can make rangoli. You can make wall hanging, story, poem, song, or you can draw like this. But yes, your originality and creativity will be appreciated and acknowledged. Fine. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Take care.